Hello my lovely subscribers, welcome back in another video. Today we're going to have some simple exercise. Ebibuuzo. Leo tugenda kolayo exercise oba ebibuuzo. Don't forget here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Don't forget you can pause the video and do the exercise. Then eventually you return back and see the answers. Osobola okupozinga video ng'omaze okulaba osooka okolemu then oluvannyuma olyoka ojje olabe answers. Okay, so the question is, arrange the letters correctly. Arrange the letters correctly. And in Luganda, arrange kitegeeza tereeza ennyukuta bulungi. Once again, arrange the letters correctly. It's going to be tereeza ennyukuta bulungi. Tereeza ennyukuta bulungi. So we're going to organize this to form out beautiful words or to form out meaningful words. Once again, you're going to organize these letters to form out meaningful words. Ogenda organizing oba ogenda kutereeza bino ebigambo zino ennyukuta okufuna ebigambo ebitegeerekeka. Number 1, we have off and SCE. What is that? Number 2, we have this. So you can look through in the English letters and formulate out English words, and then you can look through the Luganda letters and formulate out meaningful words. Okay, please pause the video. Okay, so let's do the exercise together. Katujuzeemu exercise tulabe biki byoyiseemu biki byogudde. Hope you are marking yourself. Okay, number 1, what have you written? Okay, and the answer is coffee. Coffee. So number 1 was C-O-F-F-E. Coffee. Are we together? Hope you've got that one right. Number 2, the answer is, can you guess the answer? Good. Snake. Number 2, the answer is snake. Number 3, the answer was good, bird. Bird. Are we together? So you arrange the letters correctly to formulate out meaningful words. So the answer was bird. Number 4, good. The answer was book. 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 Number 5, chair. Excellent. Chair. So number 5, our answer was chair. Chair. Number 6, it's a bit tricky, but once you organize it correctly, the answer is student. 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 Okay? Student. That was number 6. It was somewhat tricky, but it was student. Okay. Number 7. Okay, number 7 was maize. 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 So our words were, number 1, coffee. That was the answer. Snake. Number 2. Number 3 was bird. Good. Bird. Not this bird of B-A-D, but bird of B-I-R-D. Bird. Ekinyonyi. Okay? So bird. And number 4 was book. Book. Chair. Number 5, student. This was the tricky number. Student. Number 7 was maize. Good. Maize. Okay. Hope you passed. Those you can send in your answers and have a look at what you've passed and what you failed, or you can mark yourself. Okay. So let's try the Luganda part. Number 1. The answer was emwanyi. 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 Okay, so coffee in Luganda we call it emwanyi. Number 2, omusota. Omusota. So number 2 was omusota. I forgot one number, so it was supposed to be omu Omu. Sorry, it was an error here. So it was supposed to be omu, omu, sota. Yeah, omu, sota. So this one had to be corrected. Number 2. So number 2 was omu, sota. Number 3, good. Ekinyonyi. Number 3 was ekinyonyi. Ekinyonyi. That was number 3. Ekinyonyi. Bird. In Luganda we call it ekinyonyi. Number 4. Good. Ekitabo. Number 4 was kitabo. Okay? Kitabo. Oh, this one, some people can say musota. Musota, but include this to show singularity. So, if you had written musota, you are right. Or omusota. So, musota or omusota. Okay? So, good. Number 4 was kitabo. Kitabo. Good. Number 5, akatebe. Akatebe. Akatebe is chair. Chair is akatebe. Number 6. Hope you passed this one. It's very common. Oruji. Oruji. Door. Oruji. So door in Luganda we call it oruji. Are we together? Number 7. Excellent. Omuyizi. Omuyizi. Student. Omuyizi. Student. Omuyizi. The last one, 8. Who passed that one? Okay, this one you can send your answers in the comment section. This one is yours to try out. Okay, that was our exercise. How many did you get and how many did you fail? Hope you've marked yourself. Don't forget, if you like the video, subscribe, like and share at Benny 2178 on TikTok and YouTube. Follow for more videos. Bye bye. Wherever.